Good morning, my dear students. Hope you all are fine and well. So, my dear students, today before starting our class, we will pray to God. So, let's join your hands and close your eyes. Oh, lovely Lord, thank you for another day. Please watch over my family and friends every day. Thank you, God. Please open your eyes. Let's start our class. Today's our topic is sentences. Just read these sentences. First is Ram a? Second, boys park are. Third is Ram, Rohan and Palak. All these group of words are not giving a complete idea, so that these are not sentences. Now read these group of words. Aditya is a good boy. Ram, Rohan and Palak are playing. After reading these group of words, we are getting complete information about Aditya, Ram, Rohan and Palak. Dear students, these sentences are giving a complete sense or information, so these are called sentences. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sense. Now we will learn about types of sentences. But before talking about types of sentences, just read the conversation of Nikki and Ricky. Nikki says, I am going for a picnic. Then Ricky says, where will you go? Nikki is saying, I am going to Gandhi Park. Again Ricky asked, how will you go? Then Nikki says, I am going by car. Again Ricky asked, what will you do? Nikki says, I will play with my cousins. Then Ricky says, may I come too? Dear students, do you observe the difference between the sentences said by Nikki and the sentences said by Ricky? The sentences said by Nikki are telling sentences. She is telling to Ricky about her picnic. And the sentences said by Ricky are asking sentences, as Ricky is asking Nikki about her plan. A telling sentence tells something, and a telling sentence is a statement. It begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop, as you can see on the screen. And asking sentence is a question. Asking about something is a question. It also begins with a capital letter, but it ends with a question mark. Okay, my dear students, let's have a quick recap of what we have learned in today's class. First of all, we have learnt about what is a sentence. A sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. And we have learnt about types of sentences also. There are two types of sentences, statement and question. And the third point that we have learned is a sentence always starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop or a question mark. Okay, dear students, I hope you have learned about sentences and types of sentences. I'm also sharing a worksheet with you that you will do in your English notebook in neat and clean handwriting. Thank you, children. Have a lovely day.